I'm just gonna tell you, I'm doing this video today because I wanted to talk about a law. Go for a drive in the GTR and talk about some shit. Alright guys, so first, it is hot as shit in Southwest Florida today. We are gonna use the AC. I don't normally do that. Also, comment on what you think about that. Just go to our bed. Alright, so we're good to go. Let's put it in R mode here. I'm wearing the seatbelt today. Interesting story on that one. Let me roll the windows up. Give me your opinion on this. If you leave something in somebody's car, like, I don't know, a seatbelt clicker, and you leave it in their car, and they come in your house, and then they leave, and they put it on the hood of your car, but they don't tell you that they even put it anywhere, is that on them or on you for just not seeing it on the hood of your car? Now, not this car, my daily that was sitting outside, out in the driveway. Is it on me that I just didn't see it on my hood? Or is it on the person because they didn't tell me they even put it anywhere? So, yeah. But anyways, so today's video we're gonna talk about a law. I have the law! Me! The law is to Florida only for right now, I believe. And the law is in reference to, just previously going back here, the general rule is that if you did double the speed limit, you went to jail. Now, I personally don't do any of that. If you see my channel, clearly I abide by the law at all time. And if I do something fun, I go to Mexico. So I don't partake in that at all. I don't, you know, what's the point of that? But it used to be if you went double the speed limit, that meant you're gonna go probably to jail, because at that point it's reckless driving. You can be taken to jail, blah 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 blah, all that. So as of July 1st in Florida, if you are caught 100 miles an hour or more, or 50 miles per hour over the speed limit, you straight to jail. That's the new law. So I'm extremely interested to see what people think about it. The law is to curb street racing, to cut down on, you know, just basically the endangerment of civilians through that no longer happening. Now, here's the thing. Where I live, it is a really, really, really good car community. There are some very high-end vehicles. You know, there's a lot of really good stuff here. It's a big Cars and Coffee. And, you know, you could leave Cars and Coffee on a Saturday, get on I-75, and it looks like Fast and Furious 15. Like, it's just uncalled for. It's just, you know, Lamborghinis, Ferraris just going all over the place. And let's just say, I'm not sure how that's going to work out after this law. The thing is how is this all going to play out? It's obviously it's going to take some time to figure out, or maybe it won't. Maybe just a bunch of people start going to jail. I don't know, but I just wanted to discuss that, go for a drive. Now, the ironic part of it is that there is a police chief in South Florida that is this guy. So this guy he does a lot of drug busts, makes a lot of YouTube videos, kind of like a southern version of this guy, which a lot more people probably know. So he apparently, you know, the big enforcer of this law and the big proponent to crack down, got caught in his Lamborghini with his buddy filming, doing like 80 in a 50 or something like that. And it's just like, well, okay, it's like that's pretty funny. Getting back to the main point with that law is just that I don't know how that's gonna work out here. Like, if that law was in place and it was just middle of nowhere Florida and they're like, hey, let's keep it safe and all that, then okay. And it's like, and the owners of the vehicles around here, like, they like to drive spiritedly. While we're on this drive, I kind of wanted some input. I have been debating on whether or not to get a project car, and obviously the main reason for that is just because project car. I would like to have something more analog, and I would like to have a stick, either a stick NA or a stick single turbo from factory in the 90s, that I can just toy with and have fun, and that the feeling is more, like I said, analog. The good news is we are almost at 2,000, almost at 2,000 subscribers. So when this video posts, it'll be pretty close, just 20-30 more people. I'd really like to get there. Obviously it's not like, oh my god, 100,000 subscribers, but for me it's just like, you know, every little milestone keeps you going and keeps you pushing it, and not like it's a job, but just because like it's good to see progress in about everything that you do. Also thinking about a project that's not a car. I'm thinking about redoing the garage. I haven't really shown much of my home, my garage, any kind of little like you know, personal thing like that. That'll probably start a little bit more. Like, if I do this garage project, I'll have you guys in on it with me, and you know, we'll go through that. And the idea is to just, you know, have a really nice setup. Like, we'll do the floors, we'll do the walls, the lighting, all that stuff, because I want the GTR to have the best home it can have. I'd put all your input below about what you think about the law, what you think about, you know, the channel, where it should go, where we would like to see it go. Appreciate you guys. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. Have a great one.